Hi everybody. Thought we'd give you a quick update. It's been a while, you might be missing us, so we thought we'd give you a quick update on what we've been up to. And let's start with Adam. Go for it.
Yeah, sure. So recently I've been working on another automation project. So automating some infrastructure deployment for a large SaaS solution provider that we're working with. So they work with customers around the globe. So we're working on basically a tool using PowerShell and Azure Bicep to carry out their infrastructure deployment. And then sort of tie into Entra and tie their applications together and get that connected to the customer's SharePoint instance and their SharePoint sites. So yeah, really bringing together a lot of sort of small technical configurations that they have to do. So we've been speaking to them, and it sort of takes them days to do this deployment. So our tool at the minute is sort of deploying all the stuff and doing like 99% of the configuration in sort of 20 minutes or so. So hopefully it will save them a lot of time, and a lot of work's gone into that. So I've been looking at a lot of stuff with Microsoft Graph and the APIs behind that and how we can work with those in PowerShell. Not the best documented thing ever, but we've got there in the end. So we've got a really good tool at the end of it. So we sent that off to them this week, and that's all looking good. So that's the main thing I've been working on at the minute. Conor, what have you been working on as well?
Yeah, so for myself, I've been working with a kind of a new client of ours as well, sort of helping develop a sort of new managed service plan that we've got. It sort of encompasses Office and Intune. So we're now beginning to offer this as a managed service to clients, where we can give them a secure and kind of compliant Office and Intune environment, right? So making sure and we've got like device compliance and device security enabled. Making sure we're sending out apps to their devices. So kind of the whole kit and caboodle there for sort of Office and Intune. So I've been working with that, ensuring their devices are getting set up correctly, and everything's getting sort of turned on and set up properly. So yeah, it's been good.
Excellent. Yeah, that's a nice new managed service as well, isn't it? To help them just make sure their Office 365 and stuff is nicely set up. Cool. Okay. And myself, yeah. So yeah, I've been helping two NHS trusts recently. So I've been doing some governance and security review around SharePoint, Power Automate, Azure storage, and those kind of things. So there's a lot of automation work going on there. So I've been looking at how can we make sure that's secure and putting some governance around that. So I've been helping with that. That's been really good. Another not-for-profit, been working with a partner on Azure B2C and managing how do we manage external identities and user flows, etc. So that's gone really well. So I think once that's complete, we'll be able to talk a little bit more about that one. So yeah, and we all of us, I think we're getting ready for a big project that starts next week. So I'll be getting involved in the solution architecture, design work, and documentation. And you both are going to be helping out with the Azure DevOps and Terraform and deploying infrastructure as code. So yeah, so we're looking forward to starting that one. So I thought let's get this video out before we start getting really busy next week. So yeah, we thought we'd do a quick update for everyone. And yeah, we've got a couple of events and things coming up as well. So Adam, do you want to start on that one?
Yeah, for sure. So we've got a webinar coming up in a couple of weeks' time, just at the start of March. So that's a webinar that we're on with our partner Mindcraft. So discussing the A303 project that we worked on with them, and sort of the role we played in that, and a couple of different bits around it. So we've got a couple of other people on there, so it's one to look out for. Should be a really good webinar. So yeah, we'll pop some details on LinkedIn close to the time for where you can watch that and some details around it. But yeah, keep an eye out.
That was a good project as well, wasn't it? We were doing the Azure platform for a big national highways project, which unfortunately got cancelled. But yeah, the platform and everything was set up and ready to go, wasn't it? So yeah, Conor.
Yeah, so we've also got a sort of personal event coming up. So we're doing our sort of second big event that we're hosting, Cloud Connect 2.0, which will be hosted in London this time on March 17th. So yeah, if you're interested, please come by. There's some more information about it in the description, so feel free to follow that link. It should be a good event. We're hopefully hoping to meet some new clients, meet new folks that are interested in learning about what we can do and how we can help them in the cloud and with Azure. So and obviously now with our office in Intune as well. So yeah, please, if what we do sounds interesting, please come by and probably meet us and meet some other like-minded individuals as well. So yeah, it should be good.
Yeah, so that's on the 17th of March. Our last event was in November. It went really well. It pretty much sold out. I think this one's already going that way, and we've not really advertised it yet. So check out the links for that one, and yeah, if you can make it, then register. Yeah, myself and Dina are also going to the London AI tour. So that's it's kind of the new version of the smaller Ignite tours that they used to do, but now everything's called AI, so it's called the AI tour. And we've managed to get some in-person tickets. It's going to be live online, and you can register for that as well. We'll provide the link for that. We've managed to get some in-person tickets, so we'll be there in London on the 5th. 5th of March. Yeah, so I think that's in the Excel. So we're looking forward to that as well. So yeah, and that's kind of it from us. We just wanted to provide a quick update. It's been a while, and we thought you might be missing us. So, but yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks guys for your updates.
No worries, have to do it.
Okay, see you soon, everyone. Cheers. Bye.